Hey guys, if you're wondering what this is, we just had an assignment in which we had to make an idea of how to stop an asteroid from hitting the Earth. I made mine in Unity, and as you can see here, I am showing how it works with a different amount of bouncers, these umbrella-shaped things, and how much force they put on the asteroid. So in this video, it shows the different structures of bouncers and the different amount of bouncers deflecting asteroid, or at least trying to. The first three are unsuccessful, the last three are successful and deflected the asteroid or made them go the other way. This one was successful, but it launched bouncers up and down, two of them flying away from the middle. Now, as you can see, this stops the asteroid, but it doesn't really make it go the other way fast. And it also prevents bouncers from flying the other way, and that's good. So this one, as you can see, it has another bouncer, which adds even more force to the asteroid, and it's more noticeably going the other way.